There are 5 senses in all of us: touch, sight, smell, taste and hearing. And to hear is what P.Audio is best for. A well-known reputation for the best speaker creator, proven by 16 years of extensive experience, and this is how P.Audio's history begins. In 1991, P.Audio System Company Limited was established by Mr. Steve Chen. He started his business as a distributor of speaker components. His previous experience from creative, strategic and tactical direction focused on consumer requirement. In just 16 years since its establishment, he led the company to the top position, leading the speaker industry. Realizing the importance of production, the superior land of 55,000 square meters in Thailand is the location of the advanced technology, completed with all facilities of office automation system. Full efficiency factory, controlled where all parts are connected together to enable quick and accurate transfer to the production line, as well as continuously improving and implementing the new ERP operation system for the best of P.Audio product across multiple platforms, provided with effective facility for professional development of our skilled and multi-tiered staff to maintain the best of their benefit. Research and development with streamlined staffing and technology to achieve and improve working with the most advanced technology, 𝗬𝗄𝗯 for the designing department, anechoic chamber and clicktail to guarantee the minimization of unwanted resonance for the best loudspeakers could have, and our own sound testing hall, which we've pushed every demonstration process over the limit to achieve formulated and proposed innovative products. The production process heart of the company is here with the extensive 2.5 kilometers production line. Creating the output of the woofer line will be 9,000 pieces of speaker in 3 shifts per day. Compression drivers will be 6,000 pieces in 3 shifts per day. Cabinet production line will be 2,000 boxes in 3 shifts per day. In every process conducted with high performance and world standard NTI system and well-trained staff who specialize in their field to acquired customer satisfaction. As steps of the most selection of the main component of the speaker production, P.Audio carefully manufacture most of the components in-house, such as voice coil, cone papers, baskets, plastic injection, wooden cabinets and processing, which includes CNC and painting. To construct all metal parts operated with updated and highest technology, the transport system with bus area for quick dealing with the large transportation truck to deliver the best results. To identify our products for satisfaction to the maximum level for our proficient customer, the effective selection analysis and formulation process is the key to our performance measures. To carry out an outstanding and variety products to create an identical experiences, which is approved of customers' confidence given to us for the speaker standard manufacturing, which shall be endlessly continue to grow. Today, we are proud to step forward to the stairways of victory, and the dream has come true. We are promising to create new strategies and consolidated projects, increasing and launch a uniqueness and incomparableness with good allies, quality products, and the best efficiency, leading to the highest sales volume. We'll be going forward to maintain the superiority of the best speakers under the name P.Audio.